Hi, my name is Harry, and this is my investing journey on eToro. I chose eToro for my investing journey because of the platform, the community, reliability, the low fees, and the ability to learn from the community as a whole. My investing strategy is to invest in US tech for the long term, hold through volatility, and invest in good companies. The hardest part of my investing journey was at the start when I made a few trades, lost a bit of money, and had to learn to be patient and hold through volatility. The key milestone that proved to me the power of eToro social investing was when I started engaging with the community online and learning more from them about how to be a successful investor. The most valuable lesson I learned in my first year on eToro was the value of patience and holding through volatility and ignoring short-term movements. To adapt to changes in the market, I tried to reduce exposure to risky assets, hold through periods of volatility, and buy good quality companies that I don't mind holding if the stock price goes down. Someone should copy me because I have some of the highest returns of any popular investor on eToro, and they can expect consistent communication, replying to comments, and high returns over the long term.